What if the key to fighting climate change was hidden right beneath our feet, in the soil? Welcome to How Biochar Fights Climate Change in the Gambia. Today, we'll explore the innovative efforts of Fortis Invicta, a company turning agricultural waste into biochar. Biochar is a powerful tool against climate change. By converting waste into this simple black substance, we can lock away carbon, enrich soils, and reduce harmful emissions. It's a solution rooted in natural processes, yet powerful in its impact. In farmers' fields across the Gambia, biochar is transforming agriculture. It not only boosts crop yields, but also ensures sustainable farming practices. This transformation is part of a bigger picture: climate action at the grassroots level. Discover how this approach is more than just an environmental solution. It's creating green jobs and spotlighting the importance of a circular economy. From improving soil health to generating clean energy, biochar holds promise for a zero-waste future. Join us as we dive into the world of biochar, one of the unsung heroes of climate resilience in the Gambia.